What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is Auto Guy DIY. Here to introduce two Rams to the YouTube world. My first video out the gate, having 03 Ram 1500, 09 Ram 1500, both of them with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Need to do some things to this one. Has 379,000 miles on it. Paint's getting messed up. Got to get into something like that. Got this adhesive. I saw some things on YouTube. We're gonna give a try, see if it messes up the paint. Put it out there, see what everybody thinks about it. Walk around here. Got some more on this side. Looks terrible. Headlights ain't in bad shape. Got to get that bumper fixed. I'm gonna do some salvage yard trips on this channel, see what we can recycle for parts. Maybe show some people that not all the time you gotta go get brand new parts. You can find some recycled parts. There's the mileage. Drive it every day. Work truck. Real tough. Dirty. Need to get that dash fixed. Typical Dodge dash. Brakes, cracks, looks terrible. Anybody who has a Dodge, you know what I'm talking about, especially on these third gens. Got some more paint corrections here on the back. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty bad. Oh, let me pop this hood for you. We'll take a look at this engine. It needs some love. Maybe a timing chain on this channel. Do the rack and pinion. Need to clean this engine bay. The glare is real bad right now. You can see all that oxidation. We'll get into a story on that whenever we start doing some work on this, on how that happened. That's that. Here's my 4Gen, my personal truck. Walk over here and take a look inside. All black leather, looking real sharp. Super nice truck. All black. That moonroof, pop this open. Oh, look at that beautiful sky. Them pine trees. Back seat real clean. Need to do some vinyl wraps on this one. Do some tune-ups, some shocks, brakes. Get into some different things. Thinking about it, I need to pull this off here. This piece of tape. I was looking at it, I think I could peel that off, make it look real nice. That mildew off of there. Oh, we need to pop the hood on this one. I can show you this one. Getting some light fixing work. Missing both of my blinkers here. Need to repaint these mirrors, color match, make them look nice again. It's under the hood of this one. It's a lot cleaner. This one we got an issue. I have a water leak right there behind that thermostat. It's coming out in here. That bolt set, hadn't found it yet. We'll get into that on this channel. We got some paint corrections on this one. Got that, got to repaint that. Take that bumper off, sand it down, go through the process of that. Anything y'all want to see, leave a comment, like and subscribe, hit the notification. Maybe we can get into some really cool things with these two. The sky's the limit, y'all. Keep living the dream.